I'm going to move on to our next scholarship of the day. And we were talking about financial aid. And this is a financial aid at Yale University. Basically, it's for bachelor students. It's in Yale University. It's full funding, meaning it covers more than tuition fees. There are no specific nationalities. All subjects offered at Yale are accepted. And as you can see, the admission and scholarship deadlines are in November the 1st. And if you want to find the perfect scholarship for yourself, go to our website globalscholarships.com and use our free search tool. Type in the program, university, or the country you are interested in and see all the available scholarships. Use our filters to find the most suitable scholarship for yourself. It's completely free and doesn't even require registration. Find the perfect scholarship right now. Basically, this covers your 100% of your demonstrated needs. Now, what does demonstrated needs mean? Hang on, let me share the link to... So basically, for financial aids, they cover your demonstrated needs, sometimes 100% of it. And basically, what it means is that you give them a lot of information about your financial situation, like your family's income, your family's like tax information, and etc. And the university takes that and says, okay, so basically to be able to study in this university, you're gonna need this much money. And from your family's financial situation, we can see that your family can cover this amount of money. And so we're gonna give you the rest, right? Basically, it's gonna cover your financial expenses that your family cannot cover. And there is no eligibility criteria. Basically, you need to be an international bachelor student or applicant of Yale University. As you can see, the application procedure is like, here it is. You go to something called CSS, which is College Scholarship Service. Basically, you create a profile in that platform. Actually, hang on, let me just show it to you. What CSS is, what it looks like, right? So here it is. Basically, it is a platform where you create a profile and can apply for quite a lot of about $10 billion in non-federal aids. So basically, it's a really great platform if you are looking for financial aid. And these types of financial aids, especially the ones in the United States, you need to create a profile here, give them information about your financial situation, and then the university will decide whether to give you this financial aid. Yale University, I don't think there's much to say about this one. Everybody knows Yale. So it's a very good university, extremely high-ranking university. And if you are interested in studying here, we have how to apply in university tutorial video in our YouTube channel. You can see here, right? So we have the application deadlines here, and as you can see, we have the tuition fees, which are quite high. $60,000 are the higher limits of even for United States. This is every year, by the way, $60,000 every year. So quite a lot of people cannot afford this. Even people from United States barely can afford it. So this scholarship also covers that if you cannot afford this this tuition fee. So if you want to see where the Yale University is and what it looks like, basically, here it is. It's in New Haven, Connecticut. As you can see, it's here on the East Coast. So it would still be quite expensive to live in here. This is the university. I mean, again, I don't think there is anyone who would be looking for scholarships or information about studying abroad and don't know anything about Yale. So yeah, this is the university basically. The scholarship, you can come and click financial aid pages here under the eligibility criteria to get more information. Basically, all undergraduate financial aid at Yale University is awarded on the basis of financial need, with the goal of making a Yale education affordable to all students and families. So that's pretty much it. So this is not a loan. Some people think they're like this is a student loan that you will have to pay later. That's not true. It's just like the university gives you that amount of money, and they have a really good table here. So basically, every family's financial situation is unique, but the table below can give you an idea of typical awards. The table shows median financial aid awards for families of students enrolled in the academic year who applied for financial aid. Basically, like for people whose family's annual income is less than $65,000, it covers about $84,000, and pretty much everyone from those people are qualified. And even if it increases, as you can see, it's 99%, 97%. Even around $200,000, it's about 83%, and greater than 250,000%, it's even like 1 in 2 people get this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. They give you the amount of money that you cannot cover, that you need for your education. That's it. Financial aid. We have a lot of financial aids in our database as well. We see one every week, because like right now applications are open for these scholarships. Eamon, do you want to add anything about this one?
Just one thing to add is that Yale is like the admission policy at Yale is need blind for international students, which means that you're not at a disadvantage regardless of your financial situation. Like a counterexample of that is that there are a lot of liberal arts colleges in the United States where your financial situation would definitely lead to a rejection. There are a lot of colleges with a minimum set family contribution, and if you don't meet that, they just cannot help it. They cannot give you any financial aid that would cover the rest. So, for example, there are universities where the set estimated family contribution is, for example, $30,000, and if you don't have $30,000, you won't be admitted. If you do, maybe they would give you a scholarship to cover whatever is not covered by the $30,000, but you need that set minimum. For Yale, that wouldn't happen, regardless of how much money you have, and even if you have zero, that wouldn't hinder your chances of getting admitted to the university and getting scholarships.